प्यारे बच्चों, how are you all? Okay, hope all are you well. Okay, today what we told, today is what is the day today? 19 October, isn't it? Today I told you to learn lesson 1 for home test, isn't it? Have you, most of them are not giving the notes for correction and not sending at all. Whether they are writing or not, don't know. I'm going to collect that names, okay, and I will give it to principal sir. That is only going to happen. So as soon as possible you finish the notes what and all I am sending, and please respond. Whatever we are telling, please respond for that. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, today first we will do the third lesson notes I gave now. So that notes remaining I'll give today. So that notes I am going to revise today first. Okay, my dear kids. First meanings we wrote now, so you can take your notebook for seeing that one. So what is the name of the lesson? Bus ki yatra. Bus ki yatra. Okay. First Roman letter Arth. Arth means meaning. First one Pav 5. Pav 5. Pav 5. Daku. Daku means robber. Daku means robber. Vapasi. What is that? Vapasi. Vapasi means return. Okay, once more. Pav 5. Daku robber. Vapasi return. Then fourth one Hissedar partner. Hissedar partner. Fifth one Aga Picha Karna means getting confusion. Aga Picha Karna, getting confusion. Once more, Pav 5, Daku robber, Vapasi return, Hissedar partner, Aga Picha Karna, getting confusion. Now are you clear? Okay, sixth one Rang. Sixth one Rang. Rang means poor. Rang means poor. Fakir means beggar. Fakir, beggar. Kanj, glass. Kanj means what? Glass. Once more. Pav 5. Daku, robber. Vapasi, return. Hissedar, partner. Aga picha karna, getting confusion. Rang, poor. Fakir, beggar. Kanj, glass. Learn now itself, okay, my dear kids. Okay. Then Asahayoga Andolan. What is that? Asahayoga Andolan. Non-cooperation movement. Okay. Asahayoga Andolan. Asahayoga means non-cooperation. Andolan means movement. Okay. So Asahayoga Andolan, non-cooperation movement. Savinay Avajna. Savinay Avajna. Civil disobedience. Civil disobedience. Savinay Avajna. Civil disobedience. Ittafaq. What is that? Ittafaq. Coincidence. What is that? Coincidence. Ittafaq. Coincidence. Itminan. What is that? Itminan. Itminan. Confidence. Itminan what? Confidence. Okay, once more. Asahayog Andolan, non-cooperation movement. Savinay Avajna, civil disobedience. Ittafaq, coincidence. Itminan, confidence. Okay, Asahayog Andolan, non-cooperation movement. Savinay Avajna, civil disobedience. Ittafaq, coincidence. Itminan, confidence. Okay, once more I am reading the meanings. First one, Pav 5, Daku robber, Vapasi return, Hissedar partner, Aga Picha Karna getting confusion, Rang poor, Fakir beggar, Kanj glass, Asahayog Andolan, non-cooperation movement, asavinay avajna, civil disobedience, ittafaq, coincidence, itminan, confidence. Okay, this much notes only I gave. Okay, rest the remaining notes I'll give today. Okay, today the next one is Prashno Uttar. Prashnaur Uttar. After getting the notes, after finishing, you can watch this video for clearing, learning the notes. Okay, my dear kids. Okay. लेखक ने बस को कैसी अवस्था में बताया. लेखक ने बस को कैसी अवस्था में बताया. लेखक means author. लेखक has told the bus as which condition, in which condition it is there. लेखक ने बस को कैसी अवस्था में बताया means it is in the younger condition or it is in the old condition, like that. Which condition he told? लेखक ने बस को वृद्धावस्था में बताया. What he told? वृद्धावस्था, like a very old. It is in the condition of very old. So लेखक ने बस को वृद्धावस्था में बताया. वृद्धावस्था means the condition when it is very old. So लेखक ने बस को कैसी अवस्था में बताया. लेखक ने बस को वृद्धावस्था में बताया. Okay, my dear kids, you learned now itself. Okay, very good. Okay, number 2. पहली बार बस किस कारण रुकी. पहली बार means first time. किस कारण, which reason, रुकी, stopped. For which reason the bus stopped for first time. The bus stopped first time for what reason? पेट्रोल की टंकी में छेद होने के कारण पहली बार बस रुकी. What is the reason for stopping first time? Because of what? Because of happening hole on the tank, petrol tank, isn't it? Petrol tank, there some hole happened, so that only it was stopped on the first time. पहली बार बस किस कारण रुकी. पेट्रोल की टंकी में छेद होने के कारण पहली बार बस रुकी. ओके माय डियर किड्स, पहली बार बस किस कारण रुकी. पेट्रोल की टंकी में छेद होने के कारण पहली बार बस रुकी. ओके माय डियर किड्स, once more I am reading the first one. लेखक ने बस को कैसी अवस्था में बताया. लेखक ने बस को वृद्धावस्था में बताया. पहली बार बस किस कारण रुकी. पेट्रोल की टंकी में छेद होने के कारण पहली बार बस रुकी. ओके, देन थर्ड वन. लेखक और उसके दोस्त खिड़की से दूर सरक कर क्यों बैठ गए. Why that author and his friend move from the door place. They were when they were sitting, something they have seen and they were moved from that near to that window. Not near to that window, from the window, far from the window. Why they move from there? लेखक और उसके दोस्त खिड़की से दूर सरक कर क्यों बैठ गए. लेखक और उसके दोस्त खिड़की से दूर सरक कर इसलिए बैठ गए. This much is there in the question, or इसलिए only extra. The extra everything is there in the question. लेखक और उसके दोस्त खिड़की से दूर सरक कर इसलिए बैठ गए. Why they moved? Because ताकि खिड़की के कांच टूटकर उन्हें चोटिल न कर दे. If the glass is breaking from the window means it won't get affected by to him, like that they felt and they moved from there. Okay, ताकि खिड़की के कांच टूटकर, if the glass broken and it will come on us and it will get wood for them, so they felt scared and they moved from there. सो लेखक और उसके दोस्त खिड़की से दूर सरक कर इसलिए बैठ गए ताकि खिड़की के कांच टूटकर उन्हें चोटिल न कर दे. ओके, देन फोर्थ वन. 5 मित्रों ने शाम वाली बस से जाने का निश्चय क्यों किया. 5 मित्रों ने 5 फ्रेंड्स शाम वाली मीन्स इवनिंग बस से जाने का निश्चय डिसीशन क्यों किया. Why they have decided to go by this evening bus. Why the 5 friends were decided to go by this evening bus. Why they went? Because they want to go. Some of them, two of them has to go and go for their work in the morning, isn't it? So 5 मित्रों ने शाम वाली बस से जाने का निश्चय इसलिए किया ताकि लेखक और उसके मित्र जबलपुर के ट्रेन पकड़कर सुबह अपने गंतव्य तक पहुंच सके. What is that? They have to catch the Jabalpur train and also they have to reach their place. ओके, सो 5 मित्रों ने शाम वाली बस से जाने का निश्चय इसलिए किया ताकि मीन्स बिकॉज लेखक और उसके मित्र जबलपुर की ट्रेन पकड़कर सुबह अपने गंतव्य तक पहुंच सके. They can reach to their place by catching the जबलपुर train. Once more, 5 मित्रों ने शाम वाले बस से जाने का निश्चय क्यों किया. 5 मित्रों ने शाम वाली बस से जाने का निश्चय इसलिए किया ताकि लेखक और उसके मित्र जबलपुर की ट्रेन पकड़कर सुबह अपने गंतव्य तक पहुंच सके. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for this lesson notes. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me, text me or call me. Okay, some of the students are still in touch with me. Okay, that's very good, my dear kids. Those who are they are asking doubts, they are sending notes correctly they are sending notes, they are getting correction from me. Very good, my dear kids. Those who are doing like that and all, you see, for you people only teachers are struggling and doing these YouTube classes because they can also take rest, isn't it? You are also taking rest in your home, but we are not taking rest in the home. For us, we don't want to waste your 1 year. For that only we are struggling this one. We don't want to destroy your knowledge. So for that, please give importance for this and watch all the videos and keep in touch with the teachers. Okay, my dear kids? Okay. Then what is the assignment today is, today you have to do after finishing the test, part 3 notes को 5 बार लिख कर पढ़ना. You have to write and learn. Then first you finish the notes today, okay? Then get correction from me. After that, you take your own time, okay, my dear kids? And 5 times each and every questions you write and learn. Okay, write 5 times and learn the third lesson notes. Okay, my dear kids? Very good. Okay, then what is the time now? This is time for our Ghar Pariksha. What is that Ghar Pariksha? Home test. Don't waste time, okay, my dear kids? Der mat karo, don't be late. Der mat karo means don't be late. Yeah, here comes your question paper. Okay, my dear kids, see that. Here one, see first and all, the Bethlehem CBSE Central School, it is written. Then Karingal, then Ghar Pariksha, Kaksha 8, Vishay Hindi, then Ank 10, Tithi means date 19/10/2020. So you have to write your name. Okay, ma? You have to write your name and you have to write your class name and also date, then subject name. Then Ghar Pariksha you should write. then you have to write only the answer, don't want the questions and all. Okay my dear kids, if anyone wants the question means you can write, don't want this passage and all. Okay, so what is that given is for only one question for you, that is दिए गए गद्यांश को पढ़कर उसके नीचे के प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. Listen carefully students, I am not going to send the question separately because most of them are not watching the video and doing only what I am sending in the PDF. That I don't want. I want you to watch the video, so I am sending the question paper to this one only. So this one, दिए गए गद्यांश से गद्यांश को पढ़कर उसके नीचे के प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. Down one poem is there. From that, after reading that, you have to write the answers of the given questions. Okay, my dear kids, what is it given? पुष्प पुष्प से तंद्रालस लालसा खींच लूँगा मैं, अपने नवजीवन का अमृत सहर्ष सींच दूँगा मैं, द्वार दिखा दूंगा फिर उनको, हे मेरे वे जहां आनंद, अभी न होगा मेरा अंत. Okay, that is the passage number 1. See the number 1 question. अंग्रेजी में अर्थ लिखो. What is that? You have to write the meanings in English. अंग्रेजी means English. For new students only I am telling. Old students they know. अंग्रेजी में अर्थ लिखो means write the meanings in English. Okay, so first one का. First one what? Tandrales. So you have to write, if you want better you write the question like Tandrales. What is the meaning that? Please write the name also. That अंग्रेजी में अर्थ लिखो and all. If you can't means don't want to write. You write one and ka and write the Tandrales then meaning. Then kha and. Kha, what is the second question? And. Then third one dwar. Third one dwar. First one tandrales, then second one kha. What is that? And, ga, dwar. Okay, first one tandrales, second one and, third one dwar. Okay my dear kids. Then second one Hindi में अर्थ लिखो. You have to write the meanings in Hindi. First one lalsa. Isn't it? First one lalsa, the second one dwar. You have to write the Hindi meaning. Lalsa, dwar. Okay, please be honest and write without seeing. If mistakes is coming means also no problem. No one is going to punish you, and also be honest and do. You want to learn means you do honestly. Then third question, प्रश्नों के अर्थ लिखो, उत्तर लिखो. Write the answers for the questions. First one, अभी किसका अंत न होगा. अभी किसका अंत न होगा. Whose end is not going to happen now. Then second one, कभी खिले फूलों को कहाँ का द्वार दिखाना चाहता है. कभी खिले फूलों को कहाँ का द्वार दिखाना चाहता है. Which door he want to show for the blowing flowers and all. So कवि खिले फूलों को कहाँ का द्वार दिखाना चाहते हैं. Then third one, कवि पुष्प पुष्प से क्या खींच लेना चाहता है. What he want to take from the each and every flower. कवि पुष्प पुष्प से क्या खींच लेना चाहता है. Okay my dear kids, after watching this video, if you have any doubt in the question paper, you can ask to me. Okay my dear kids, so finish that test and send it to me before 2 p.m. I need it today itself. Before 2 it should come. I'll consider the home test. I'll mark the marks in my personal book. So please do honestly and send it to me. It is not going to register in school and all, but I will register in my own. Okay my dear kids, so I need my kids to do honestly. Okay my dear kids, that's all for today. Revise the notes and finish the notes. After that finish the home test. Then after that write 5 times and learn the lesson 3 notes. Okay, very good my dear kids. Those who are doing, I am so happy with them. Those who are not doing, please do as soon as possible and finish it. Okay, give importance for studies. Okay my dear kids, धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.